We are connecting the PS2012 20 amp power supply to a DCS 100 5 amp command station booster and a DB200 Plus 8 amp booster. To connect the 5 amp DCS 100, we're going to use the included Y cables that come with the PS2012. This Y cable can be connected to two 5 amp boosters. However, since we're using a 5 amp booster and an 8 amp booster, we're only going to use the Y cable to the DCS 100. We're going to begin by connecting the Y terminal plug or Y cables to the terminals with the PS2012 turned off. Red wires to the red post, tighten it down. Black wires to black post, tighten it down. We next connect the other end of the Y cable to the power in and power in terminals on the DCS 100. It does not matter which cable goes into which power in terminal. Simply slip it in, making sure that your wire is sufficiently exposed so you can make good contact with the DCS 100. Tighten your screw, insert the other wire, making sure it's in good. Tighten the screw. Now we're using the Y cable and can use it because we have a 5 amp circuit breaker in the Y cable. To connect the PS2012 with the 8 amp DB200 Plus, we cannot use the Y cable because it is limited by the 5 amp circuit breaker in line. So we have made up a set of cables using a resettable, quick-acting 10 amp circuit breaker. Again, with the power off on the PS2012, we're going to insert the black wire to the black post. We'll find a hole in there that you can put your wire in and tighten the post down on your wire so you have a good connection. Next, we will insert the red wire in the red post. Tighten the screw down so you'll have good contact with the wire. Next, we will connect the other end of the wires to the DB200 Plus to the power in and power in terminals. Again, it doesn't matter which wire goes to which terminal. We loosen our two screws. We insert our wire into the terminal, and we tighten our screw. Insert the other wire. Tighten the screw. Notice that since we are using the DB200 Plus as a booster, we have our jumper wire between our sink and our ground terminals, and that those screws are good and tight. Notice also that we do have a LocoNet cable running between the command station, the DCS 100, and the booster, the DB200 Plus. Since the command station is going to be giving all the commands for the entire system to the booster. We now turn on the PS2012 to see if we've connected things right and are getting good power to the command station and the booster. You notice that the power on LED is on both units, and with the DB200 Plus as a booster, it's on solid. So we have good power to both units. This is how we recommend you wire the PS2012 to the 5-amp command station and the 8-amp booster. Thank you and happy railroading.